In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build websites with GoHighLevel. Let's walk through the entire process, from a fresh workspace to a published page on your own domain, keeping everything clear and practical. Start by signing into your company dashboard in GoHighLevel. From the main navigation, open Sites, then choose the Websites tab. Click New Website. For this demo, we'll start from blank so you can see every step. But remember, you can also choose a template if you want a faster start with pre-built sections and styling. Give your project a name, like My Website. A clear website name helps you stay organized, makes it easier for teammates to find, and can influence default URLs and internal labels. Click Create to spin up the site shell. Now add your first page. Click Add New Page. Each page is a place where you'll build content and set its settings. Name the page. I'll use Drift and Discover as an example. Click Create New Page to generate your canvas. Choose Create from blank again. If you already have a saved template, you could use it here for speed and consistency. Blank gives you full control over structure and style. You're now in the page builder. Drag a headline element onto the canvas to start shaping your hierarchy. Type Homepage as a placeholder title. You can adjust fonts, sizes, and colors later. Click the plus icon to add another block, then drag in a paragraph element. Type, Welcome to my page, so you have some body copy to work with. Add another block and drag in a button. This can later link to another page, a funnel step, or an external URL. Add again and drop in blog posts to surface your latest articles automatically once you start publishing to your blog. Add one last block and drag in social share so visitors can share your page to their favorite networks, which helps expand your reach. Click Save to preserve your progress. Next, open the content panel for page-level details. Set the title to Roam with Me. This appears in browser tabs and can influence SEO and how your page looks when shared. Click Author and type the author's name to keep attribution and blog metadata organized. When you're happy, click Publish. Make sure you've purchased a domain so you can connect it for a professional URL and secure SSL. Click Connect Domain to point your DNS to GoHighLevel and assign a root or subdomain. If you don't have a domain yet, click Purchase Domain. Owning your domain is essential for branding, trust, and clean links across marketing channels. That's it for building and publishing a simple site in GoHighLevel. Subscribe for more.